Dark editions have been extremely popular in India. Tata has done it, MG has done it, so has Mahindra and even Toyota. Now, Citroen India has jumped on the train, although this brand is doing things a little differently. You see, Citroen India has launched dark editions of their popular models all at once. So you get the C3, the C3 Aircross, and over there, the Basalt. The dark editions can only be had with the top spec variants of these cars, which means you can have them with the C3 Shine, the Basalt Max and the C3 Aircross Max. Now in terms of upgrades on the outside, you have, of course, they're all finished in black color. You also get dark chrome elements, and on the inside you have leatherette upholstery, some ambient lighting for the footwell area and a couple of other extra embellishments. Now let's take a good look at what we have here. Starting with the C3 Dark Edition, well, this car is based on the Shine variant and it can be yours for around 8.8 lakhs, and for that much money you get some extra embellishments on the outside. So say dark chrome elements for the grille, there is some Dark Edition badging on the side, and at the back you get the Citroen logo and the C3 logo in dark chrome finish. Inside you get leatherette seats finished in black with red stitching. You also get some soft touch material for the dashboard and the door pads. You also get illuminated scuff plates, and finally some ambient lighting for your footwell area. Next up is the C3 Aircross, which is priced at 13.13 lakhs for this Dark Edition version. Now it more or less gets the same set of updates as the C3 hatchback, which means it gets this really nice shade of black on the outside and some upgrades on the interior to make this car feel a little bit more special. Finally, we have Citroen's Coupe SUV, the Basalt, which can be yours for around 12.80 lakhs, and for that much money, you get the same set of updates as the C3 and the C3 Aircross. So on the outside, you have dark chrome elements, and the badging is also in the similar shade, and on the inside, you get leatherette seats, ambient lighting, and some shiny finish around the gear lever and the door pads. In case you're wondering how much extra you'll have to spend to get the Dark Edition, here's the price difference between the Dark Edition and the variants that they are based on. For the C3 and the C3 Aircross, the premium comes to 22,500, whereas the Basalt Dark Edition is 23,000 rupees more expensive than the standard Max variant. With the prices for the Dark Editions out of the way, let me take you back to the C3. You see, Citroen has updated the C3 yet again. Now this car gets a bigger fuel tank from 30 liters to 45 liters, while all the engine options are E20 compliant, and finally the feel option variant of this car also gets the turn indicators on the ORBM, and you also get adjustable headrests for the front seats. So that's all from us for today. Let us know what you guys think of the Dark Editions of the C3, the C3 Aircross and the Basalt. Do you think the extra pricing over the standard variants is justified? Let me know that as well, and I will see you in the next video.